So can Netflix detect Cyberghost VPN? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you, or we will discuss whether or not it is actually possible for Netflix to detect Cyberghost VPN when we're using it, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now first of all, Netflix is an app and maybe you have restrictions, so you basically download a VPN which is a Cyberghost and one of the popular ones out there. Now you have to understand that Netflix does its best to detect and block VPNs including Cyberghost. However, Cyberghost is one of the few VPNs that has consistently been able to bypass Netflix geolocation restrictions and provide access to the streaming service from anywhere in the world. That being said, Netflix is constantly working to detect and block VPNs, so it's possible that Cyberghost may experience temporary outages and disruptions in the service. In some cases, you may need to try different servers or location within Cyberghost to find one that works with Netflix. It's also important to note that using a VPN to access content that is not available in your region is against Netflix terms of service. While many people use VPNs to access geo-restricted content on Netflix, there is a risk that your account could be suspended or terminated if you are basically caught. So hope this video helped you answer a question as to whether or not Netflix detects Cyberghost. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.